The one standing in front of Baba is Dadi Nirmal Shanta, Baba's Lokik daughter. It's very rare that she comes in the foreigner season, but this time she has, so it's a good opportunity for the double foreigners to see her. She lives in Calcutta, Dadi Nirmal Shanta. Today, all the 5 dadis are here with Bap Dada, which is not very frequent. Dadi Ji, Dadi Janki, Dadi Chandramani, Dadi Nirmal Shanta, Ishu Dadi, Ratan Moini Dadi. This is a clap of one hand. Here comes Dadi Manoharindra. All the dadis are now very precious for us because they are equal to the Father, and through them we get the inspiration to become like the Father. Daddy is telling Baba that there are over 900 double foreigners here. Dadi Janki is telling Brother Rick is also here. Brother K.S. Raju, the son of Mr. K.V.K. Raju of Nagarjuna, Hyderabad, is here. And also someone else's name Dadi Janki mentioned. She says he's here after many years. I don't know whose name she mentioned. There's one sister from South Africa. You're very happy, aren't you? You're very happy, aren't you? She's from South Africa. And Dadi Janki Singh that she dances in service. And Dadi wants to know if she's saying my Baba. And she's nodding her head, yes. It is good. You have great enthusiasm for service. And wherever there is enthusiasm, their success is also easy to attain. Keep on doing service and continue to fly and make others fly. It is good. From your face, it is visible that you eat good nourishment of happiness. Where have you come? Baba is asking Renuka, Mr. K.S. Raju's wife. Where have you come? This is Baba's home, she's saying. Do you feel it to be your sweet home also? In this sweet home, you can fill in yourself as much sweetness you want within yourself. The first and foremost gift is the gift of sweetness, which you have to fill in your apron. I was telling K.S. Raju, yeah, it's very good. You have revealed your father's name. Because now in you they see your Lokik father. Whether it is in your Lokik task or it is the Alokik family, in both these you have glorified your father's name. Dadi Janki wants the sister from Turkey to also come on the stage. Sister from Turkey. So Baba is telling K.S. Raju, you have followed the father. This is why your Lokik fathers as well as your Alokik fathers' blessings are with you. You have got a good companion. Because Mr. K.S. Raju's Lokik first wife, she left her body. She was suffering from cancer. And she left her body some I think last year, and now he's married again. And this wife is very good, very special soul. So Baba is telling him you found a good companion. Everyone has great love for you. Incognito love for you. Now increase both the tasks, your Lokik as well as the Alokik. I was telling them to increase both these tasks. Because in Hyderabad, from where he comes, he has established a management center, and the Brahma Kumaris are the faculty members there. So he's doing very well, and Baba wants both of them to hold this bouquet. Daddy, she wants Papa to give a fruit to them. And whenever Krina Ben is saying that whenever we ask him what do you like best, then they say purity. They are from Turkey. Sister Marina has brought them the instrument souls of Turkey Center. Have you, do you think how fortunate you are? You have found your fortune while sitting at home. You are very fortunate souls. And you are instrumental for creating the fortune of other souls, and you will continue to do that in the future also. How happy you are. You are very happy, aren't you? Your happiness is unlimited, is it not? Be happy, keep dancing, and make others dance and fly in joy and happiness. It's good. You have good enthusiasm. This is a very lovely song. The wordings are, Baba, even till today, you give us the sustenance of Sakar, Baba. Anyone who comes here fills his apron with your love. This one who's coming in front of Baba is Lakshmi Ben, and she's not keeping good health. लड्डू यहाँ ले आना।
लड्डू मैंने बोला उसको। हाँ लड्डू लड्डू ले आना। लड्डू नहीं वो नीचे से वो बाबा के ऊपर ट्रांसलेटर सभी हाथ भी लो तो
खुशियाँ सारे संसार की आज भी देते हो बाबा, पालना साकार की आज भी देते हो बाबा, पालना साकार की।
जगदीश भाई, रमेश भाई और ब्रिजमोहन भाई स्टेज पर आ जाएं।
अव्यक्त रूप से भी बाबा वरदान देते रहते हो, वसुंधरा पे गूंज रही गूंज रही गूंज रही महिमा तेरे उपकार की आज भी देते हो बाबा, पालना साकार की आज।
ओम शांति।
आप लोग सब
साइलेंस से बैठे रहेंगे, जो पीछे उठ के जा रहे हैं वो भी बैठे अंदर।
घर के जाते सब यहाँ से झोली तेरे प्यार की आज भी देते हो बाबा, पालना साकार की आज भी देते हो बाबा, पालना साकार की पालना साकार की पालना साकार की।
मधुबन के बाबा, मधुबन के बाबा मुरली वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना।
मधुबन के बाबा मुरली वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना। लाखों दिलों के आप उजाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना। मधुबन के बाबा मुरली वाले, आपका
कितनों को आपने राह दिखाई, राले आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना।
आप हैं हम सबके भाग्य विधाता, भाग्य विधाता हो, भाग्य विधाता हो।
आपकी तुलना में कोई न आता, कोई न आता हो।
कोई न आता हो।
माटी को सोना, माटी को सोना कर देने वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना। मधुबन के बाबा मुरली वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना। आपने एक हमें अचरज दिखाया, अचरज दिखाया हो।
अचरज दिखाया हो। आबू की भूमि को तीर्थ बनाया, तीर्थ बनाया हो, तीर्थ बनाया हो।
पर्वत पे स्वर्ग, पर्वत पे स्वर्ग उतारने वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना।
मधुबन के बाबा मुरली वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना।
लाखों दिलों के आप उजाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना। मधुबन के बाबा मुरली वाले, आपका क्या कहना, आपका क्या कहना। झूम रहा मेरा मन झूम रहा मेरा मन
झूम रहा मेरा मन होके मगन,
झूम रहा मेरा मन होके मगन।
वाह मेरे भाग्य मुझे मिले भगवन, वाह मेरे भाग्य मुझे मिले भगवन। झूम रहा मेरा मन झूम रहा मेरा मन।
मेरा मन होके मगन,
झूम रहा मेरा मन होके मगन।
वाह मेरे भाग्य मुझे मिले भगवन, वाह मेरे भाग्य मुझे मिले भगवन। झूम रहा मेरा मन
सुख सागर